Namaste. Welcome to Akanksha Desire for Wellness. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well being. Mental health is very important at every stage of life. Today we have with us Dr. Avinash D'Souza, who will be discussing about mental health and body image. So over to you, Dr. Avinash D'Souza.
Hi friends, this is Dr. Avinash D'Souza here, consultant psychiatrist, and I am here to share a few thoughts on body image and diet and mental health. It's very important for all of us to understand that each one has a body the way he probably derives it from genetics, environmental factors, diet, etc. It's very important that we are comfortable with the kind of body we have, because some people may be thin, some may be short, some may be tall, some may be fat, some may be dark, some may be fair, and it's very important that we are extremely comfortable with the way we look at ourselves. There are many people in this world who have what we call body image problems. They feel uncomfortable with the way they look at themselves, either in a mirror or the way they appear in a photograph, and they are uncomfortable with certain parts of their body. And it's important that such people visit a mental health professional and seek help and clarify and sort out the minor issues that worry them. So body image is something that we all have to be very, very comfortable with, because we have to like our body the way we are. Coming to diet and mental health, it's very important that a balanced diet be maintained for mental health. I know there are a number of studies that talk about specific foods that will boost your mood. Well, I think any kind of food that you like to eat boosts your mood, but we have to go a little low on fried food, junk food, and maybe food which has refined carbohydrates and a lot of preservatives. Yet I think maintaining a balanced diet, that is protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, fats in the right proportion, fruits and vegetables in the right proportion, is what is very essential for our good mental health. One of the most important messages that I want to give through this video is that it's vital that if you feel you're having a psychological problem, or you feel there are issues in life which are bogging you down, please seek help from a mental health professional. Do not think that, oh, this is something that I can overcome on my own. Do not think you will become weak if you seek help from a mental health professional, because it's very important for you to understand that you will recover and you will overcome your problems only if you seek help from someone who's scientifically trained in handling these problems and guides you in a scientifically sound manner. You may visit a psychiatrist, you may visit a psychologist, you may visit a counselor, whoever you feel comfortable with, but do visit someone. It's very important that we have to get rid of the shame and guilt of not visiting a mental health professional, overcome the stigma, and that's the only way we can work towards building a mentally healthy self, and in the long term, a mentally healthy nation. Thank you.